In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate your primary account on your PS5. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more PlayStation tips just like this. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. And if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But here on the PS5, setting a primary account is actually called console sharing and offline play. Activating this ensures that all users on your PlayStation 5 are going to be able to access games and subscriptions when you've purchased, even when you are offline. To do this from the home menu, go ahead and go up to the top right and select that gear icon to open up your settings. And from here, scroll down and choose users and accounts. On this left-hand menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the very bottom and select other. And once you are in other, you'll see an option for console sharing and offline play. Go ahead and open it up and check what the button says. If it says enabled, that means that feature is currently off and you will need to click enable to activate this PS5 as your primary console. And if it already says disable, then console sharing is already turned on and you're good to go. Once activated though, your PlayStation 5 is going to recognize this account as primary, so you'll always have access to your games, PlayStation Plus benefits, and other digital content even without an internet connection. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.